Students, in previous class we know about the number of 5-digit numbers. Okay, we also know about the reading and writing of 5-digit numbers. Here 5-digit number I wrote there 1 2 3 4 5. We are talking about only 5 digits number. Okay, we can read also and we can write also 5-digit number. Look at there, 23,431. 23,431. We know about the 5-digit number reading also and writing also. Also in previous video we learned about the place value of 5-digit number. Look at here, I wrote ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000s. Each place value digit I write here. One place 1, tens 3, 4 is the place value 100, 1000 3 and 10,000 2. And we have to multiply with ones place, we multiply with 1 means answer will be 1. 3 on the place of tens, so I multiply with 10. 30 means the place value of 3 is the 30. 4 I multiply there 100 means 4 place value is 400. 3 multiply with 1000, 3000, the place value of 3 is the 3000, and 2 20,000s. This whole we have already learned in previous video. Now today we are going to talk about the expanded notations. Let's talk about the expanded notations. First we will take one examples. $32,845. I wrote here one example. We have to do this number into expanded notations. First, we know about the place value charts. Okay, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and last one is the 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and last one is the 10,000s. Okay, we have to remember this recurrence of this place value chart. Okay, if you know we have to ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000s. We have to convert this into the expanded notations. Okay, now 5's place ones, only 5 we have to multiply with 1. 5 place ones, plus sign we have to add here. 4 place tens, ones, tens, tens means 4 we have to multiply with tens. Don't forget plus sign. Okay, now ones, tens, hundred means 8 we have to multiply with 100. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Last one is 10,000 means 3 multiply with 10,000s. Okay, now this we have to convert. 3 multiply with 10,000 means answer will be 30,000, plus sign as it is. 8 multiply with 1 we have to multiply. Okay, this. Now 2 multiply with thousands means answer 2,000, plus 8 multiply with 100, 800, plus 4 multiply with 10, 40, plus 5 multiply with 1, 1. Now this is called as the expanded notation. 32,845 we have to convert into the expanded notation. This called as the expanded notation. Okay, I hope you have understand that expanded notation. First of all we have to recurrence of the place value chart. Okay, now let's see another example. Now let's see. First of all we have to read 80,405. Now place value of each digit. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000s. Now let's convert into the expanded notations. Okay, first we have to write ones means 5 place 1 plus ones tens, 0 place tens means 0 multiply with tens plus ones 10 100, 4 place 100, 4 multiply with 100 plus 1000 means this 0 place 1000 multiply with 1000 plus last one remaining is 10,000s means 8 multiply with 10,000s. Now we have to convert them. Multiply this whole plus sign we have to, don't forget. Okay, now answer will be there 80,000 plus 0 multiply with 1000. We know that any number we multiply with 0, the answer will be also 0 plus 4 multiply with 100, answer 400 plus 0 0. Now let's convert 0. We have to here 80,000 0 we don't have to write here, also we don't have to remove from here. Now here is 400 plus 5. This is a expanded notations. 80,405, 80,405. I hope you have understand the expanded notations. Now let's see another. Now we'll talk about the standard form. First we learn about the expanded notation standard form converted into the expanded notation. Now this expanded notation we have to convert it into the standard form. First we have to write the place value chart. Ones means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000s. Now each digit we have to write in a proper place value box. Okay, we know that ones means sevens, 4, tens, 40 it is. We know that 40 is the place value is tens. 100, 1, 2, here also 1, 0, 2, 0. Now the 500 means place value of 5 in the 100. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 means 4,000, 4, 20,000s 2. Now we have to write this 24,547s. 24,547. This is called as the standard form. This is the expanded notations and this is a standard form. Only we have to write the proper place value of each digit and last one we get standard form of in the expanded notations. Okay, let's see another example. Directly we can write. Okay, now let's see another example. First of all we have to write the proper box in the place. Ones, any 0 is not there means ones place. Okay, 1 0, we know that 1 0 means tens. 400, 1000 place here given. We know that 1000 means like this, 30 here anyone? No, means here we have to apply 0. 10,000, here number given 3. We have to write the number. Now answer 30,415. Expanded notation converted into the standard form. Proper place value we have to write, then after we get standard form. Okay.